In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your PayPal account number on your phone. Whether you've just opened a new account or you've been using PayPal for years, knowing where to find your account number can be a bit tricky. So let's dive right in and simplify this process. First, you'll need to open the PayPal app or visit the PayPal website on your mobile browser. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to the home page. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this is where you can manage all your account settings and features. It's a good idea to get comfortable navigating this page since it's the hub for all your PayPal activities. Now, to locate your account number, you need to be at the home screen of your account. Typically, most of your basic account information is displayed here, giving you quick access to the details you need. If at first glance you can't see your account number, don't worry, this can happen. Make sure to scroll down a bit if needed or look closely at the key sections where your account details are listed. In case you can't find the account number prominently displayed, there is an option to update your phone number, which can sometimes lead you to more detailed account information. Click on the Change button next to your current number to open the verification and update menu. This ensures your profile is up to date and allows you to manage the details linked to your account conveniently. Should you need to attach or update your phone number, or if you just want an additional number added to your profile, you can do so easily. Click on the Add New option. Here, PayPal allows you to seamlessly update your account settings by adding new phone numbers, which may be necessary, especially if you wish to have backups or alternative contacts listed. Once you select Add Phone Number, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Adding a new phone number can enhance the security of your account as it provides an extra layer of verification. Plus, it's a handy method for accounts where multiple family members might be involved, ensuring everyone stays connected to their necessary financial details. So, to sum up, navigating your PayPal account on your phone to locate or update your account details, like your account number or phone numbers, is straightforward once you're familiar with the process. Remember, your account homepage is your primary control center, and from there, you can manage and update your information with ease. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, you now feel more confident in managing your PayPal account on your phone. Be sure to subscribe for more tech tips and guides like this one.